Today I'm taking a look at the UYECOVE 60-piece Torx bit socket set. That's pretty cool looking. So I do like that they've got everything here on the bottom. We don't have it kind of mixed with the bottom and the top. So that means is if I want to, I can just knock out this pin. I can throw this thing in my toolbox and have everything always ready to go. But it does have a key right here on the top, so we can't tell what's supposed to go where. But even with that, the case is all labeled as well, so we know exactly what is what. And we can see we got both Torx and E-Torx. So if we got a stud or something like that with a male Torx head on it, we can use this to pull that out. So these things are very nice to have. So this one is an E18. We can see it is labeled UYECOVE, so we know which set it belongs to. I also like to see it's got this knurled grip on here, so if you want to grab it by the socket and spin it, we can do that. Nice looking star head on there, and has a very nice chrome finish on it, so it'll be easier to clean. So for the female Torx, we got from an E4 to an E24, so that is a very large socket. And then here you're going to see we got several different rows of what appear to be very similar sized Torx, but these are all actually different. So here on the top row, we got all of our regular Torx, and that is from a T6 up to a T70. Which is going to be great for me because I actually need a size T50 in the very near future for working on my pickup. And people are saying for this job, make sure you have a big Torx. It needs a T50. This actually has 3 sizes larger than that, which means that this can work on very, very large projects. That's awesome. Then we have the TT. So these are actually the Tamper Torx. And what sets these apart is that they got that little hole drilled into the top. So that is for Torx to have a pin pushed out to make sure that you cannot just use any old Torx to undo that bolt. So this is mostly for like proprietary equipment or just stuff that they don't want the average person to be able to work on. So it's got both the regular Torx as well as the Tamper Torx. And the Tamper Torx goes from a T6 up to also a T70. I have never seen a Tamper Torx in T70 before. That's pretty cool. And then finally we have the newest style Torx, and that is Torx Plus. And that is from a T8 up to a T60. So what's the difference between a Torx and a Torx Plus? Let's grab the 50. And if you look closely, you see on the Torx Plus, these splines are actually a little bit thicker than on the regular Torx. So these are going to be able to actually put up with a lot more abuse. Regular Torx are already very strong, but if you want to increase that, then you need the Torx Plus. It'll be a little easier to see on the T60. So this is the Torx, this is the Torx Plus. You can see how these are a little bit thicker. So yeah, that is an incredibly complete kit. If you're looking for something that has literally every style of Torx on it, this is the kit that you want. This is a very nice kit. Yeah, that is a pretty awesome little Torx set.